Hello friends, welcome back. So in the last session we saw and I introduced you to the world of the Spring Cloud microservices. So we saw what are the all the project of under the Spring Cloud is there and we will be using. So that was the introduction. So in this session we'll see the advantage of the microservices. So what could be the advantage? So the first main advantage is adopt new process and technologies. So microservices allows you to adopt the new technology and the process. See in this example, microservices 1, 2 and 3. So microservices 1 can be developed in a one language. Microservices 2 can be developed in another language. One can be developed in Java. Microservices 2 can be developed in .NET and 3 can be developed in Python. Okay, so it will allow you to adopt the new technology. It will allow you to use the new the process, like how you will go through the CI/CD pipeline process, how the build the images, how the scale up and scale down will come into the picture. So it will allow you to use the and adopt the new technologies. And other is the dynamic scaling. So microservices 2 and 3, so whenever required it will bring you the another instance. So suppose microservices 1 is running, it has some works to do, so not much load is coming, so only one instance is running. So microservices 2, it has a 4 instance. When the load goes down, it can scale down and it can have only 2 instances running for the microservices 2. Same like 3. So dynamic scaling and up and down the microservices gives you the flexibility to achieve this. And other is faster release cycle. So each and every module is independent small microservices, so you will have a faster release cycle to release into the from dev to production. Okay, so what we saw, there are many three advantage: faster release cycle, dynamic scaling and adapting of new technology and the process. So mainly these are the advantage that the microservices gives. There are n number of advantage, but these are the three main advantage that the microservices is giving us: adopting new technology and process, dynamic scaling and the faster release cycles. So this is all for this video. So up till then, bye bye.